Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for coming today to listen to my tall tale, Coconut Boat. Coconut Boat is a story of my aunt. How she come here, how she travel from Vietnam to America on a coconut boat. You probably see this coconut boat. I cannot imagine what is a coconut boat that will cross the Pacific Ocean in 30 something days. So when I was little, my aunt always tell me the story to encourage me, even though learning English is very hard for me. My aunt said that, young lady, you don't know what is hard. You know, when I come to US and try to escape the communism in Vietnam, I have to risk my life on a coconut boat. The boat that make out from a coconut tree is not steady, it's not strong, but we know that we have to escape. We want freedom. We want better future, quality of life. Learning English is not at hard that when you're drifting in the ocean for 30 something day without food or drink, you will be starving and your life is at the hand of nature. Thunderstorm, pirates destroy our ship. Many of us have died. I was lucky that I be able to hold on to a piece of coconut tree that flowing for a couple days or week before I got picked up by the USS ship in the international water. When they picked me up, I really happy. I thrilled that I'm still alive today. So learning a language is not that hard. But when you are facing between life and death on that open water in Pacific Ocean, you will know what is your life's worth. So keep learning and work hard, my child. Your life is in your hand. Your future is based on your education, not on a piece of coconut tree. Coconut tree, coconut boat, coconut all my life surrounded with all the coconut. I love coconut juice. Whenever I eat a piece of coconut cake or smell the coconut oil or just think about the coconut shape, I remember my aunt, her story, and the coconut boat that carried her from Vietnam to America over a month in the Pacific Ocean. Wow, a coconut boat can travel across the Pacific Ocean. That were amazing. Thank you very much for tuning in and listening to my story. Thank you now. Bye-bye.